is calm, the eyes are clear, the light that moves is everywhere. It hums through bone, through blood, through air, and every cell becomes a prayer. No edge remains, no weight, no wall. The form dissolves, yet holds it all. The skin now shines, the space now breathes. The self expands, the silence sweet. The ground beneath, the sky above, now pulse with one unending love. The heart, the hand, the field, the flame, all whisper softly the same name. No higher world, no lower land. The light is what I understand. It fills the earth, it fills the void. It is not made, it is enjoyed. Each motion glows, each sound reveals the pulse of truth the body feels. The mind grows clear, the senses wide. The world and I no more divide. I am the air, I am the fire, the song, the calm, the one desire, to be as I have always been. The light both outside and within. No thought remains to say, to show. The body hums, the spirit knows. No birth, no death, no wrong, no right. Just endless love, the body of light.